Daily Motive Web presents 10 very useful tips that will keep you going towards your goal. This will keep you going till you achieve. This always happens with many of us, you are not the alone one. Often we set our targets and launch bright-eyed from the starting line. A month or two later, we are feeling beaten down and weary. Shortly thereafter, we run headlong into life, the realities of day-to-day existence, the setbacks, the heartbreaks. We are not as elevated as we were before. Friend, this really does not mean it is the time you need to quit. Rather, it is the time to change your ways on work, and for this we can provide you with 10 very useful tips that will keep you going towards your goal. Number 1. Do self-analyzation. This will make yourself clear about your goal, and after that you can fit into your mind a brighter picture of your destination, which in turn will help you remember it every moment of your life. For this, you can ask yourself some questions like, is it really this that you want? What benefit will you have after getting it? What is it that you can sacrifice for your goal? What can you endure in the path? How can this be of any use to other people in your social circle or in your surroundings? And is that the last thing in the world that you want to acquire? These simple questions will help you make the decision first, and also will provide you with hundreds of ideas and strategies that you can apply in your journey. For example, when you know how your desire can be of any use to other person, you can make them to help you by simply highlighting their profit in your want. Number 2. Be prepared to face failure. After that you have decided to pursue your aim, congratulate yourself first, as now you have a luminous reason to live. Now, elect all kind of disputes, whether it be of wasting your time in your journey or be it the failure. Have a room for the failure too. This will never let you fall in despair, nor it will leave you unprepared, as you would already have a second and third plan. It's the interplay between being and becoming. Making detailed plan and setting priorities is good way you can make you get most out of your journey. We all run into trouble. This is where we collect our wits and forge ahead. Don't dwell on failure. Fall back and regroup is an apt phrase. When we hit the rough spot, instead of ruminating on failure, realize you are simply living life, and still be thankful to have ample from where you can restart. Number 3. Go slowly and appreciate the journey too. Appreciation is a crucial tool that will keep you going and empowered, so never just rush too much that you don't get ample time to celebrate your small success. In the way and appreciate yourself, no matter how long it takes. When you have a firm intention of getting at last what you are longing for, this longing will increase your hunger day by day, moment by moment, and when you will be provided with your dream, you will enjoy it like you never thought of. Number 4. Make a bridge. Make your goals and your passion one and the same. If you are truly passionate about something, it's what gets you up in the morning and keeps you up late at night. So, set your goals in the field where you have that passion and choose wisely. You may need to build a bridge from what you are doing now to what you love to do. Number 5. Have a good plan. You would not try to drive from Detroit to Seattle with no roadmap, would you? So far this you need to plan your strategy. While your plans on how to get there, break down the broad sweeping goals into detailed, tactical plans, and be prepared to shift gear and take a different route. Some roads may be closed, but keep your eye on your destination. Number 6. Surround yourself with wisely chosen people. Some people have a slick front but conduct themselves very differently behind your back. So, choose your friends wisely. Face it, in this world there are some people who are on your team and some who are not. This is not to say people can't change or reform, but you want people on your team who are honest, hardworking, and are going for the same things as you are. Number 7. Prefer a blunted route. You don't want to get bored or disheartened of your journey so far. This, you need to work hard. And yes, play hard too. But stay on track. Book your schedule unless your sole ambition is maximum leisure. I recommend booking your schedule full of productive activities so you don't get bored or wind up doing things you will regret. Number 8. Keep yourself inspired and motivated. We are all surrounded with different life stories, so interact with people who have a struggling life, who nailed it, and now are an inspiring example for you. These could be among your friends, neighbor, maid, or even a rickshaw driver. You can read good books, watch motivating movies, and cover yourself with all the positivity you need to keep going. Daydreaming is itself a motivation. You should lock in your mind that you have a goal and keep bouncing it from time to time. For this, you can post a picture of your dream in front of your study table or working place from where you can remind yourself of the aim for which you are on earth. Number 9. Earn self-confidence. Once your self-confidence is built, you will not be afraid to take calculated risks. Imbibing knowledge and having some experience will motivate you to aim for higher goals. You will start feeling able of something with that full basket of knowledge. Number 10. Keep yourself challenging. To keep going, you need to keep yourself challenging. Have small challenges for hours or even minutes, and when you are completed, reward yourself first. Celebrate your success and then move on to next challenge. This will keep you moving on. Slowly and gradually, you will be proceeding towards your goal. Have positive thinking. No matter how much hindrance you are facing, just allow them to come. Fight with you, make you strong and more committed to your dream. But don't just stop too early. Don't think that, okay, now this is just sufficient for me. Keep in mind that you strive not for something lesser that you have, but for what the original victory to you was. So don't be too much happy with small success, as you are aiming for the bigger one, and these were just steps to achieve that bigger one. So keep going and going until you achieve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making videos. For more videos, please subscribe Daily Motive Web. Also make sure to watch our other videos.